Uh-oh. What do I have going on now? Somebody dropped their car off to me. And it's like midnight. They said the brake pedal goes all the way to the floor. It's snowing right now in Mac country. You tell me what shop. He said he took it to a shop. He just came from a shop. And now the brake pedal goes to the floor. But hey, y'all love these shops. I don't say nothing. You tell me if your favorite shop would work on your car at midnight and have you bring it in at midnight. I'll wait. Thought so. Peace. Stay tuned for the updates.